Hello, Boat Club. Commodore-elect here and assistant to the clubhouse engineer. It's a new title that I'm working on right now. It's not a real thing. But I wanted to show you, look what we got. We got a brand new fridge delivered just now. Also, this is the new freezer that came in a couple of weeks ago. So this is a beautiful piece of hardware. I am in the process of unstocking the old one and restocking the new one. Unfortunately, Chef Jeff is going to have to deal with the way I choose to, at least initially, put his shelving and put the food back in here, because we don't. Just look right in here. You can see we got all I got all the food kind of spread out there. But that's what's new in the galley. We're also going to get a pressure washer in here this afternoon. We're going to get all this cleaned up, and this is going to be like new. We're going to have good cold refrigeration in the galley, and we're going to be ready to go for a long time with no possibilities for malfunction of hardware. So that's the update.